Hi, I am making my amazing chicken and coconut curry, and first we need to start by marinating the chicken. So I've got a bunch of herbs together. So I've got some coriander, I have some chili powder, I have some chopped up thyme, I've got some parsley, I've also got some curry powder too, and a little bit of ground cumin. So I'm going to add all this to my bowl with the chicken in.
You then add salt and pepper and marinate in the fridge for at least an hour.
So the first step to making my coconut curry is to add the onions and the garlic to the pan. So make sure you heat some oil, heat up for a couple of minutes, add it to the pot, and I'm going to cook this for around 10 minutes. So make sure you cook it on a really low heat because we want the onions to kind of get that brown colour, but we don't want them to burn either, and we kind of want to caramelise it just a little.
I'm then going to add my spices. So I need a teaspoon of ginger, I need a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, a stick of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and I cook that for around 2 minutes.
So after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my marinated chicken that I marinated earlier to the pan. And I'm going to turn up the heat just a little for this, and I'm just going to brown the chicken. So normally this will be on a high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes.
And then add your chopped courgettes to the pan and 150 millilitres of chicken stock and cook for 2 minutes.
And then I'm going to add my coconut milk. So I've used a full tin of coconut milk. So I'm going to add this to the pan. So I'm going to put this on a really low heat, and I'm going to cook this because I want a lot of the juice to reduce because there is quite a lot in here. So I am going to put it on a low heat for around 25 to 30 minutes.
And halfway through, I'm going to add some chopped boiled potatoes to it.
Okay, so while your curry is still cooking, we're going to add the rice, and I'm going to infuse my rice with a few different spices. So the best thing to do with your rice and the spices is to do it with the rice in a bag, because then the spices don't get into the rice and it's a nightmare to get them out. So I'm going to add some cardamom pods, some star anise and some cloves to the pan. And then we're just going to add some boiling hot water, and we're going to cook this for 15 minutes. To treat the final steps to my coconut curry, we are going to add a handful of chopped coriander to the pan. So this is in the last 5 minutes. And I'm going to add some lime juice. Normally I would use fresh lime, but the shop didn't have any, so we've got to go for lime juice. Add a teaspoon of lime juice to the pan. Be a generous one, and you mix around and cook that for a further 5 minutes, and it should be ready. So once it's all cooked, I add a spoonful of rice to each plate, so I'm cooking for the family today, and I'm going to be adding a spoonful, or however much you want, of the coconut curry, along with a sprinkle of my coriander and a naan bread. So let's try it. That's so good. So if you are missing your curries and you do want to try my curry recipe, you go on natalieeaglen.com and it's under the recipe section.